Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making easy homemade pakoras. So let's begin. So I'm going to add 1 onion and 3 medium-sized potatoes. So I've cut these in cubes. A handful of chopped coriander, 2 chillies, 8 tablespoons of garam flour, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of chili flakes, a teaspoon of garam masala, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of whole cumin. So I'm just going to mix this up and then add some water gradually until it's a thick paste. Okay, this is now mixed in and this is now ready to fry. So I'm going to now fry these. I'm going to be putting in 1 tablespoon and just dropping these in slowly. So we're just going to wait for these to start to rise. As you can see, these have come up, so we're just going to allow these to cook until they are light brown. Okay, these look ready now, so this is the light brown that I was talking about. So we're just going to take these out. The pakoras are now ready. It's a really easy and simple recipe, so I hope you guys give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.